Chapter 4 Determinants Inverse of a Matrix. We know A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into determinant of A into I. If you don't know, then you can check it out with the help of example. Let us see that also. Let A is equal to a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Then its adjoint will be what? Interchange the principal diagonal elements. So 4, 1. And change the sign of the secondary diagonal elements, so -2 -3. So this is adjoint. Now take apart A into adjoint of A. So A into adjoint of A is equal to what? First you write down A and into adjoint of A. Then this is 2 cross 2 matrix, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. Then we can multiply, we can take the product of these two matrix. First row first column, first row second column, then second row first column, second row third column. So 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3, 4 minus 6, so -2. -2 plus 2, 0. So we'll get a matrix. Then here 12 minus 12, 0. Here 2 is a 6, minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. So we'll get a matrix, this one, -2, 0, 0, -2, 2 cross 2 matrix. Then you take adjoint of A into A. Adjoint of A is what? 4 minus 2 minus 3, 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 cross 2. Okay, so this on product doing the multiplication will get same, -2, 0, 0, -2. Okay, now you take the third part, that is determinant of A into I. So determinant of A, will find out determinant of A means what? Determinant of 1, 2, 3, 4. So taking product, 1 4 is 4, -3 is 6. So 4 minus 6 -2. So -2 into I means 1, 0, 0, 1. Identity matrix. So -2 multiplied by 1, -2 multiplied by 0, 0, -2 multiplied by 0, 0, -2 into 1, -2. So from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, what we can say? A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. So we understood that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. So here we are starting with A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into I. Now taking a product of A inverse on both sides. So A inverse into A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into inverse into I. So A inverse A into A is equal to what? I. Adjoint of A as it is, determinant of A as it is. A inverse into I, as it is identity matrix. Any matrix you multiply with identity matrix, you will get the same matrix, A inverse. Okay, so I into adjoint of A, again that will be adjoint of A. So A inverse will be what? This determinant of A, if it is a non-zero number, then we can send to that side. So A inverse is equal to, we get 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, if determinant of A is not equal to 0. So the formula for A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A.